Welcome to the Ponderous Brick Thinker. This is another installment in Learning from the Pros. We are using LEGO Set 71460, Mr. Oz's Spacebus. This comes from the LEGO Dreams line, and as with other booklets I've seen of the Dreams brand, a story unfolds. So here we are seeing Logan aggressively sleeping and then joining in the fun. So we're going to continue with bag 5, and then we'll see how it goes from here. And in that last, well, let me open this thing. There we go. And I was just curious in the last image of joining in and then, just everybody contributing. It kind of reminds me of this the Lego movie where they're constructing the submarine to escape Cuckoo Cloudland, in which everyone has a part to play. And I think this could be part of the brand, or just the overall emphasis of Lego promoting a how do we say, a pluralistic construction ideal. We'll see how that goes. Because in the movie the submarine didn't last long, so we'll see how well this is insulated or constructed for. Apparently this goes into space, or they're just using that for because the resemblance to the shuttle. Here we go. Oh, I see. It's filling in gaps. These gaps right here. This allows the doors to slide out, in and out, but by placing this here, it kind of locks it in place by kind of preventing the sliding. But it still resembles this right here. Very important feature. Oh, you know what? I forgot to construct Logan. I was looking at the big pictures. Let's see here. We have head, hair, and body. Okay, we'll give him the grumpy look because I forgot. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that after that important safety feature, we have some technology to install. Let's see, two studs, and then something like this. Oh, nope. This way. And then the corner. Okay, so it kind of still works as a wall. We'll see how it works as also a floor. Okay, so both sides. So it is strange that they did not rotate the image here. There we go. To show exactly where to place this, but by assumption it looks like it's there, which is just a single row of stud, and then the next one, that's where the computer component goes in. Let's see if that is interpreted correctly, whereas this one was two studs away from the edge. And this one only gets one of these claw plates. Still don't see it. Okay, well, there's that to join. And it's the same color. Probably under all the wings. No. Here we go, right in front of me. So in this fashion, one of them is going to be higher and it's going to be placed there. So there's an empty step between that and the edge. Okay, we'll see what the purposes of these are. Anything else? Computer. Yeah, okay. Oh, now we're going to the front. Four of them. Nice. Nicely prepared place for them. It's almost like a, well, I'm not even sure if the reference still goes. It's the Where's Waldo situation. But I think that Where's Waldo was still more difficult. I guess it depends on the book that it was in. And up front here. Okay. Just curious. Oh, they closed up the sides to make it appear as a space bus. I guess I could do the same. There. It's interesting that they incorporate these transparent plates to be barely noticed. This next piece will cover it from the outside, so you won't be really seeing it other than just glimpses of it. I guess it could work either way. I'm trying to remember, growing up, I think maybe they use it for some cars designs. It's just I still view the transparent plates as special. I'm kind of surprised that they're just covered up like that. Okay, so we're gonna do twin mode. This and this. And then again here. Okay, so this is a brick and a plate height in order to continue the pattern. Guess we'll see if this is used, but right now it looks like it's to prevent the door from pushing it more this way. That's the extent that it can be pushed in. If there's something here, then that will be sure to, you know, make it consistent as to when it's in the closed mode. Okay, now the other side. so this one looks a little engaging. Two together, and then so I see that that's black. This would be the dark gray, facing in the same direction. Here. Okay, so this is part of the color design, keeping it consistent of where the dark gray and the black are. Incorporating the transparent plate to be as, since you won't be able to do a slice of transparent in Lego, it has to be a plate kind of built around to kind of disguise that part, that it's actually a bigger piece than what it's intended to look like. Oops. Alright, and then we go here. Let's see, was that a good fit? Did I miss something? This is not quite there. Oh. What did I miss? That's peculiar because this is not a quite... Oh, maybe now it is. We just needed some squeezing. I guess there's full contact all around, and then you have just an. This is nearly a surface level like to build all along. I think that's just for that part, but that's interesting how they just all line up, and then you can just freely build here as you would here. Anything else? I think that's it. It is that side part. It almost looked like a wing. Okay, then gray, and then this one. I would say it's the last row. Kind of tuck this in, and then you can confirm it if you have exactly one layer there. Okay. Would have thought to kind of overhang that, but maybe not necessary. Okay. That's kind of interesting. That I guess it comes from the designers, that you have this shape and this shape, and they're sharing the same angle, so that is possible. Then we have these. Then we have a right and left thing going on, because those are not it. There we go. Yeah, so they're right and left. And then, ooh, guns. Or shooters. Or don't poke your eye out. kind of do wonder if this kind of, I think it's a pearl gray, or it's a shinier gray than this, the normal, or sorry, this kind of gray. I don't remember seeing them when I was younger. This gray, yes. I wonder if this is a recent development in coloring or finishing. Oh, so we have these here, and then these. Oh, sticker time. Let me see. I think I had good luck securing it in place and then placing the sticker. Sticker is right here. Number 17. Here. Now, there is a right way, one way. So yeah, 17 is this one. That might be my best sticker placement. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So they had this nice blue, maybe it's not quite the blue, but it's now cover up. Unless you see it here. And we'll see if it's visible once it's in place. It does make it look hefty, like this component has a lot of weight to it. It's kind of hard to describe because it can be a smooth, like this part here, but now it's kind of layered. It has different colors going on. And oh, more. Okay, so this yellow or orange, it's same as the school bus that goes right there next to those action items. Okay, so this one's number 20. Say sleep. I'm on a roll, wow. Maybe it's just because it's orthogonal, all four sides to it. Cool. Okay. And then it goes on this side. So this surface right here is contact with these studs right here. This goes right there, so it's like nicely prepared. And that blue plate, that 1x6, is completely covered. I put too much force there. Okay. Let me get the one from the floor. So part of the component I was building stuck onto here, but the component didn't connect to the rest of the build. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm missing still something here. Let's see, where did it go? Oh, right here. Okay. And that the red transparent plate is hardly going to be seen. There, and there's no sign of the blue plate. On this side, there's that red there. Oh wait, is that the blue plate? Yeah, okay, so there's the blue plate. Barely showing. Okay, so now it's this side's turn. Okay. Okay, so this blue plate's only going to be seen there. And this transparent plate is only going to be seen there. That part. So they almost look like spikes. The wild part of the element. Okay, and then let me orient. Okay, it goes here. Is it really that tall? Yeah. Okay. This part here is number 18. Nice. Okay. And then covering up of the blue. Adding some grill detail, and then securing the action items with some detail here, and then covering up the studs with this one. Okay, and then number 19. This way. I can't really... It's like a Y and an upside down A. Or it's an A... No, it's an... Yeah, it's an A... an upside down Y, or it could be an H. Okay. Way the fireball's coming in this direction. Alright. Maybe the last episodes with sticker placement prepared me for this one. Usually I don't think about the past ones, just focus on what needs to be done right now. And then let's see if I don't break this again. Okay. that concludes bag 5. Okay, let's go into bag 6. Seems not too much. I forgot to give Logan his prop. Very grumpy now. And then we have extra components right here. I'll put them in the bin off there. Okay. Just making sure no other piece. I think that's good. Okay. So on to bag 6. Oh, and then I need this. Yeah, I have my other bags off to the side there. And this bag is ready, or that part's ready to go. Okay. Also part of the illustration, so it's, you know, they have all this page just for that symbol. And then here it is, almost coming together. I think I'm not even sure what to call this part here. That's the final part, maybe. But we still have some book left because this one comes with 2 alternatives as to what the final design is going to be. Okay, so it's a plate with the studs there. Then we're going to make an omni brick. Studs in all directions, except the bottom. Okay. Okay, so we're going to overhang so that they don't split. With bricks like that. That'll help with the structural integrity, considering that this might be the one of the main things to hold this hatch cockpit together. Let's see how it goes. And this one. Okay. Fine construction going on. So it's a lot of smooth plates covering up a lot of studs. We'll see what's going to be hung on here and there, because this part apparently is going to be all smooth right there. Oops. There. Okay. Oh, and this is going to be sticker number 9. I wonder why they didn't number them in order, at least. They're not even in proximity of, well, I guess of general proximity as to the order of the numbers, because this could be number 15. So that you can always... they're so slightly off. It's okay. It's gonna have some coverings here, but numbering the stickers might, unless there's a reason behind the non-ordered numbering of the stickers. Okay, so this is set aside. Then this part, or this plate and this plate, and a darker blue, maybe the true blue. 23. Long curve. Okay. And then this plate with sticker number 23 open here is gonna face this way. There. It might be a degree or two off, but it's fine. Ooh, this one. What's the yellow plate? Transparent plate and black. Now attach it to here. Okay. Okay, now I see it. This part is this here. It's like the lower lip of it. This is going to connect to the upper part. And we're going to do another component. Let's see. L plates. Here. Okay, and then this way. Okay. More L plates, probably to help it keep it all together, especially since we have black, dark gray kind of lining up with that part in the center. This is probably the main component for that hatch part. Bright red. Okay. Upside down, turn it around. And we have this one here. Okay, it really frames the red nicely. I guess that's it. Okay, then turn it right back up. Oh no, keep it down. Because it's the inverted smooth plates, or the smooth bricks. This right here. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So this is the bottom part of the bricks, but this reverses that. So now there's the normal part of the bricks is they're opposite. Interesting. Then it's combined with this here. So the question is, why did they go through this effort and not put, the smooth plates here. And we'll see what happens here. Okay, and then it's the other side. It's number 24, and it looks like it's that part there. Yeah, better. Okay. Okay, that completes this part, and then it's going to be combined here. Okay. Some technology here. There. Oops. There. Oh, that's it. Okay, so just place it here. Oh, okay, so they kind of fit together. I do wonder why the 2x2 plate, they didn't print like this. It's printed along with the brick. It's what is it called? Decorated? You can really tell it's a little bit off. Oh well. Oh, and then this part gets a sticker, number 5. It's transparent, so it's not flimsy. And it goes all the way to the edge. Nope. Maybe this way. Better. Lining up with the studs here was a little bit better, easier. It's ever so slightly off, but I think can pass. Okay, and then here it's building up to fill in the gap beneath the curved brick. This piece. So it's place for it here. Okay, so apparently these were designed together because they fit very nicely. Oh, and then okay, so I'll do both sides now. Some detail work there. Oh, and then I place it here. So that is to catch this part here. And and there's a few more places for the studs to connect. So all of this is combined. Should make it very seamless. It's not like it's in the old days. I think it was Blacktron. It was not the space line, but it was science fiction, and it was just, you know, the suggestion that the transparent windshield was, you know, completely enclosing the capsule. But here it's like really sealed. All of it is, you know, very much designed to fit together. Okay, and then upside down, this, and then a very small detail here. There. Okay, then, and then on this side, there. I almost didn't see it, or didn't notice them in the big picture, but they're there. Ooh, now it's time to combine them together. So it's 4 claws coming together, and it feels very secure. I'm not sure why this detail right there. Ultimately it's 1x4, but it's 2 studs in the center, and then where the C-clamps connect to, it's right there. I would say it's just for ornamentation to suggest there's more going on with the assembly of this craft, but well, it's the basic almost shuttle design with a space bus in the middle of it with some action items. Okay, let's see, I think that might be it. Ooh. Oh, okay, so now we're going. Bag 7 will be another story. Alright. Or the development of that story. So let's give it a look before we continue. This looks traditional. It looks like the space shuttle. This looks recognizable as the Spacebus. This looks more futuristic. It went a little futuristic, or, you know, it has its own technology pattern. It could be because the introduction of Logan, that it has a little wild side to it. And I'm wondering if this is correct. Because here it says sleep, and I wonder if I just put it upside down. Oops. There. Okay. Alright. It does feel very secure at the moment, probably because they're just new bricks, new clamps. But because there's 4 of them, it'll probably be a while before they wear out and it just drops. Exterior, there's a few places for studs. So we have Z-blobs, slime rope to grab onto. There's some here, and I'm pointing them out because it went through great lengths to cover up a lot of studs. It makes it look sleek, but also, where is Z-Blob supposed to hang on to? In the interior, not so much detail or smoothing it out. It's very much rough. We have this also here, but I think it is just, this is the main intent of how it's supposed to be received. Just having it smooth on the outside is enough. We have some components here. We'll see how they're being used. The doors are secure with the introduction of these right here. So if I wanted to remove the doors for whatever reason without destroying it, I would need to remove these first in order to slide them out and then pull them out. Oh, and probably also here, because this is also preventing the doors from sliding out this way. So now I can do this, push it forward, but it can't because of these right here. Keep it in place. Guaranteed to have a sleek closing on that. Alright. Overall, a nice design. It's very engaging, I would say. You know, it does borrow a lot from the space shuttle. You know, the flat surface here. And they probably restricted the dimensions of these parts to kind of fit within the silhouette of the space shuttle. Even though this is like a completely different design than that. Oh my goodness, I think I wonder, this is also upside down compared to the box art. Or is it the blue's on the bottom, but it does kind of go this way. Oh, there we go. And I don't know about that. We'll leave it like that. It might not be vital. Okay, so this has been the Ponderous Brick Thinker. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.